shit. Oops. Okay. Ah! Fell in the lava again.
Okay, here's what we'll do.
Just
Here.
don't move. Don't
I'm
move.
gonna go.
Oh,
I'm gonna.
damn.
Here. We'll both be here. And now the safest one. Oh my God, that was a big one, and I felt it. Jesus. All right, so what we're gonna need here is you or me. Which way do you want to go, down or up? Okay, good luck. You got this. Ouch.
I don't.
Thank you, Chablestein.
What's the easiest way?
Probably down.
Oh. Well, then you go the hard way first.
Okay.
Oh my God.
But now, no. You just gotta go
I can't
down.
go down.
And
I'm
then,
gonna put our string.
I can't actually jump down here. I thought.
Oh no. This is bad because we've got to both do them.
Oh, there is a thing down here. See, there's a switch that we stand on. So actually, you going down there would have been fine.
But what about our string? It's all wrapped up.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
why. Okay. But we already have that, so we don't even gotta go that way anymore now. That was just for the collectible.
Oh, okay.
So since we already have that, we're good.
Oh, so we can just go down.
Yes. All right, I'm just gonna stand still.
It's just
Love
getting
it.
harder and harder.
I mean, that is how it goes. Boink. Okay, so now it's safe for you.
Oh, thank God.
Nice.
We've done it.
I knew we could do it. Whoa. Gee whiz. I was distracted by the
Gee
fireworks,
whiz.
man.
Drop it. Oh God.
Can you stand on it now?
I extra smashed you. Wait. Oh, don't smush me. And then do we swing from it?
Not sure yet.
That's gonna smush you. I know it will. Smush.
Okay.
Watch.
However, here's the thing. I can stand here now with this going up, and you can swing off of it while it's up. Wow! All right, see, now you can swing.
Wait, are you holding me?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to let me go then when I swing over there.
True. Okay. Okay,
Oh,
maybe I'll just
God.
let you hold.
Okay.
Okay. Love it said though, your streams are so chill, I'm practically freezing in my chair. Kappa Angel is as sweet as ever. Aww.
Aww.
Aww. Oh, here's a question. How do I get up now?
Oh, jeez, who said that? Move on.
Winters, thank you. Oh, I need you to jump down on the Angel. No,
What do you need me to do? I'm all the way up here.
I know, but I need you to jump down to the left on this thing so I can get up. Jump to the left of this yellow bit. Thank you, and then stand here. I gotta get up now. There we go.
Tell me about it.
Gee whiz. Chill out, fireworks. Is it really that big? Why do people love blowing stuff up so much in their backyard? Like, I get it, like, for
It's
festive.
also pretty.
Well, I get that, but like there's like areas to go to where it's like super pretty. The backyard stuff isn't that pretty.
That's true, but it's kind of fun to set things off a little bit. I don't know. I like setting off like
Oh my god, I just realized what we gotta do.
little guys. What?
Angel,
What do we do?
hold on to me.
Wait, how do I join forces with you? Oh, do you need me?
Yeah. Oh fuck, I needed you to walk me over
Oh,
actually.
I see it. We gotta move you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll hold you. Well, you
Alright.
hold yourself.
Okay.
That way you have control over it.
Okay. Don't let
Okay.
go, okay?
Oh, well, you have control over it, so it's if you let go.
Okay, but don't let go, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
I won't.
Goodbye.
Okay.
It's really oh god.
We gotta go slower.
I wish you let go.
Gotta move slower.
Okay. Good luck. Oh god, another firework. Oh god, there it goes. Oh, oh, oh. It's so steamy down here. Oof. I'm
Yeah.
sweating bullets. Oh god. Then we waddled away. Oh god. Hey, if we go all the way to the left, we can get a collectible. Wow, isn't that something, huh? Here I go. Fuck.
Here we go, he says.
I didn't realize that was fire. I thought it was like, I don't know, just some visual not bad
Only
thing.
other fires.
I know, but I thought it was okay for some reason down there. I don't know why. It just seemed right. And it was wrong. Okay, now I safely go down here. Oh God.
You gotta swing a little bit and drop. There you go.
Oh god, okay. Okay.
Oh, whoopsie. Oh well.
These things happen,
We already got it.
and we already got it.
Oops.
Okay. Let's do this. Getting
Ow.
tired?
No,
Getting in
I'm
pain?
just always yawning. Yes.
Oh, shizzle. Cinderlion again!
I need a
Thank
drink.
you.
Oh my god, Cinder Lion. Hold on.
Wow. Wow.
Holy crap, Cinder Lion. I'm in a happy mood. Hell yeah.
That's some good shit. Thank you very much, also Complete Rebel. And Windsor. I made it! Boink. Wow. If only that was open sooner. Don't get rolled up. This looks a little bit dicey.
Dicey.
Or flatty. Uh-oh.
They're gonna squish our strings.
Not our. Oh God!
Oh,
They
no.
squish your body. Is my butt warm? Yes.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
You just had to wait for a second, but you're like, nope. I'll try it again. Nope. I got it.
Oh crap. Alright, oops. Oh, what? I got knocked out.
Just keep smacking your little noggin because it's just so hard. The metal.
It is. Did it.
We're heroes. Uh-oh, it's faster. Uh-oh.
Oh. If it even touches you.
I mean, these things are injected with anti-yarn metallics.
Ah. Ah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how warm is my behind? I'd say it's only about a 4 then. It could be warmer. My behind
Oh, no.
specifically. Uh-oh. Is okay.
Oops.
That was me that time. also not warm then? Well, I mean, god damn it, me. Like, all right, put it this way. It's warm, but it's not like warm enough that I'm gonna write home about it. You know what I mean? Like, it could be warmer.
Oops.
This is like my treadmill.
You have a treadmill?
Well, I mean, it is now.
No.
I don't actually have one, but I feel like
I want a
getting one would be
treadmill.
awesome. Like, who doesn't want one of those? So then you don't gotta go outside to have a walk. Like, who wants to go outside?
Yeah, but then they put me on vitamin D supplements because I never go outside.
I mean, you ain't right.
Ah!
Oh god, don't do it! Just do it!
I was just holding on.
I know, it was the weight was keeping me down, too. Oh, man.
Doot, doot, doot,
What a good
doot.
game.
It is a good game.
Oh god.
Oh no, I
Your
was
bits.
watching you.
Oh. You want to become me?
Yeah, how do I become you again?
I think it was R1? Or triangle? Yes. Yep,
Oh yeah, I gotta hold it.
Nice.
Nice.
Going up.
Ah! Wait,
Oh,
I have
this
an
is-
idea.
That is not what sex looks like, Scapistar.
Oh, so this is what sex looks like.
Ooh, spooky. Looks like I might die if I was a chump.
Nice.
Yeah, what can I say? I almost died. Launch me. What? Oh.
Oh, you gotta get
Okay.
launched up.
Yeah, I thought I was about to get burned or something.
Yeah.
Come off like as soon as I get launched. Ah. Oh god.
Oh. No, you keep going.
Well,
And
I
then
don't.
I'll come
Oh,
up.
that's where I get in. Okay.
You're doing so well.
Thank you.
You know how many times we would have had to redo this if I was alive? Or if I wasn't wrapped up on you?
You know what? I'm okay with you being wrapped up on me.
So many times.
Pull.
You gotta hold on to it and pull.
It ain't working.
Oh, maybe it's not one of those. Yes, it is. What?
I did it. Fuck!
Oh.
Thanks, MBNCD, who says just checking in. Can't stay. Have a great, fun stream, everyone. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I had to tie it down, I think, for it to work.
I see.
There we go. And now we let it go. $463-509. We gotta remember that. Could be a code.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you're right. We might die. Be careful. Oh God.
Whoopsie.
Your poor little body got smushed by the
I got
packaging.
smushed.
Oh, we
So we
can't
have
go
the
up
other
there.
side, and then we jump on the other side.
Yep. All right, chat's remembering it. Good job, chat. Good skills. Whoa!
Ah!
Your legs!
Your legs!
Oh
What the fuck?
no! That was messed up. I think this is probably like one of the last levels because the difficulty's definitely kicked up here.
Yeah.
Left side.
Wait, it's gonna be long first, yeah.
All right, careful of your little bits.
Ah!
Oh God! It's okay. Hold on to me.
Oh god.
All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Very good. Very good flips too.
Yeah. Synchronized flips.
Oh God.
Our string!
Oh God! Oh God! You were rolled.
So horrible.
It really was. All right.
Oh god.
I just wanted to do it again because, you know, this is what we were doing before. It was in the rhythm.
I gotcha.
I got you.
Sometimes you get in a rhythm.
Yeah, you know, a rhythm. This is the rhythm of the young.
Oh, what's happening back there?
Oh, that's looks like she's not happy to be in there.
Trapped by rats.
Trapped by brats?
What?
Is that what you
You're
said?
a rat. And I said trapped like rats.
Oh, I thought you said she's trapped by brats, like he was a brat or something.
Or like the brat stalls.
Or the blat stall.
The brat stalls.
Why did I say blat stall?
I don't know.
I feel like the blat stalls would be a very interesting line of dolls. Nope.
Oops.
I want to see. It was worth it. I got you. I got you.
Climbing up.
Oh, sometimes you get knocked out by the.
Oh.
You just got knocked.
Okay. I'll get it. I'm coming. I'm coming. I did it.
Okay. Is your neck okay?
No.
All right, last time we had to tie these to do things, so let's see. These are doing wild things when we tie them now. What the hell?
What are they doing?
I think we want to.
Oh, we've got to use them to jump up. Hold on.
Okay. Well. So do I not want that there? It seems like I got knocked the F out. Yeah, I kind of do. So, how about this one? Whoa, what? Oh, you can close the vents. Oh. Okay, so then I gotta get this one. Okay. Okay, and now, this is gonna be interesting actually how we do this. Maybe I needed to have this also. Okay, well, I'm just gonna pray that
When
you're
I let
gonna
go of the
launch me,
button.
and it's gonna be
Are you
good.
ready?
Yeah, you're gonna. Oh no! I fell on the button though.
Maybe I'm supposed to connect this one.
Okay. Yeah, because you can still connect some.
Yeah.
That's
so hold
true.
on. So this one. I connect.
No. I think I want that one. I think you want the middle one. Because this one will be most to the right, and that's where I'm going to be going.
So this one you want me to do?
Yes.
Okay.
So, first one I want to be getting rid of. Yeah, so, this. And now. And then you.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Yours
It was just
first.
me. Yep, you were right. Okay. And now, this, then you. Hey, listen.
Whoa.
Oh, God!
Oh.
Oh, thank God you were here to hit my butt.
Thank God.
Thank God. Oh, God. This wouldn't be happening if it was sit time.
Oh my God, if only it was the time.
Oh, God. Did you know you can press LB to see hints?
Yes.
Oh, God. You
Oh,
saved me.
thank you.
Oh. Run. Holy shizzle. Everything's exploding around us. Life
Oh
as
my
we know
God.
it is ending. The ghost boy, girl. It's a boy.
It's
Run.
both a boy and a girl.
There was two of them?
Wow. Possibly.
Every
Yeah.
time you yawn, you feel pain.
I do.
Oh, God, run. From the pain and that pain. Oh, boy. Oh, shizzle. If we don't keep running, death will surely follow.
It's true.
Oh, God. Leave us alone, Death's...
Leave us alone.
I don't know, a Deathborg? I was gonna say smorgasbord of death, but it doesn't make sense.
Oh God.
It's okay. You'll make it. Just climb my
Ah.
string thing. Oh, God!
Holy shit.
You died.
Why did that one come down so quickly?
You were just the one who's fated to die that time, I guess.
I guess so.
That's just how it'd be.
Oh God. You move so forward so fast. That's what came down so fast. You died that time.
Yep.
Was not Ty who did the death.
It was not. You are correct, Yellow Yanni.
Well, not me. Ha ha ha. Wait for me.
Okay, let us go.
You moved too far forward again.
That part is actually a time delay, though. Even if I wasn't far enough, it would have kept going. I just
How
died.
would you know? Okay.
You want to see? I'll prove it. I'll prove
Yeah.
it. I know game mechanics. Trust me. This is all time-based. Here, watch this. We're going to go up here, and we're going to stand here. See?
Okay.
I'm video game guy, dreamer. Black. Nice. Fuck!
Why'd
That was
you
the
do it
second
again?
time. I didn't mean to. Well, if anything, we're mastering this run.
That's true.
This is like Ori and the Blind Forest 2 training. This is what we're doing right now. We're training for it.
In the blind forest.
That's why we're gonna get you good at it. We're dead.
Yeah.
Okay. This
I
time.
did pass the first game though, and I was very proud of myself because I'm bad at platformers.
Yeah, you know,
And I
not
did it
everyone's
on
good at
stream.
platformers. It's okay. All right. Here we go.
Fuck, keep going.
Yeah, this time I'm not gonna fuck it up. Bets. Oh. that was great, like the very last second because you hit
Yeah.
the corner.
Oh, thank you, Hyde.
Also, Slinky Guitar, thank you very much, man. And Rainbow Turtles. hop sometimes because it's just a habit of my fingers.
You did. Nick bought me it.
What, Nick bought you my fingers?
Ori and the what?
What?
Ori and the Blind Forest.
Oh. Whoa, do you like how I do that thing? Where, alright, so if you jump now. Uh-oh. Okay, you jump. Oh, you're sitting. Oh, I'll sit here.
You would.
I would.
What time is it at your place, Cry? It's 11:17.
Whoa. How did you know? Are you here?
No, I just know.
Oh, how are we playing? This is a local co-op game. Like, what the fuck?
Madge. Oh, yeah, because I am actually there.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's like...
I'm just in the other room.
Yeah, but it's
Be
still a
right back,
local
I'm gonna come
co-op
hit you.
game. Oh, ow!
No, I didn't.
Oh.
You didn't give me time to go come hit you.
Oh, sorry, it was a premeditated. It's kind of like how you almost
coming.
get hit. Oh god, don't do it! Ow! Why?
I'm running back. Okay. What do we do here?
I don't know. Jesus Christ. Okay.
Oh, it's the same
Drop
thing as
that
before.
one. And then the next one you had. And then this one. And
I'll
now
Oh,
you
wait.
gotta you wanna tie the one that I just had tied though. And then we'll be good. Pretty much the one that lowers this platform, yeah.
I can't climb now, though.
Oh. That's how they get us.
That's weird.
Unless I can go this way. No, okay.
Oh, wait, we both
Oh,
have
I can
to
just
be up
pull
there.
you.
But... No, you can't.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I think I'm supposed to be
Was I
over
supposed
here.
to have my thing still
What
tied
am
there
I
and I let it
supposed
go
to
too
do
soon?
here?
Actually, yeah, that was it. Go tie it again. I let it go too soon. We had it perfectly right. Don't look at the tips. Don't look at the tips. That's taking off the fun.
Alright,
Don't look at the
alright.
tips. And you turn on slow mode. Press RB to turn it off. Nice. Okay. So, I need to go back down here and have this one tied. So untie the one you just tied. I'll tie this one, and then you tie the other ones. Okay. So you come over here.
Oh. Am I supposed to go up there with you?
Yep.
No, I'm supposed to untie it.
And now you come up here. And boop.
Now you want to... Oh.
Easy.
We did it! You're so good and clever.
Thank you. It just comes with being a good gamer. It's also half the thing with these games is we end up overanalyzing it and overcomplicating things, and that's why it gets
true.
hard. So we just gotta think with our gut. We probably were right with our gut. We were just slightly off. Well, we're bad though. We just whiffed. I can't believe that. Like
Yeah.
that one thing right there means we're bad though. Nice.
Nice. I
Have a
said
good night,
nice,
Sid.
too.
Ah, you did say nice too. That's right. Oh, it doesn't work? What? Broken. What's the point? Goodbye, broken thing. Maybe we can power it. Sit.
Oh. Sit time.
Drink time.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta say,
Angel
this is
Dom. No, I'm not a Dom, you guys.
Guys, Angel's not a Dom. Hey, it works!
You've done it.
Oh my god!
Ah!
Jesus. Oh god. Ah.
What angle am I? I'm in a cute angle. I'm 69 degrees.
Hey!